Oh, I like this. This. A Ratmobile. So we're at Capesthorne Hall at the Classic Car Show, and it's not such a great turnout today. It's not the bank holiday one, so I guess they get more exhibitors over the bank holiday weekend. It's just the a normal weekend one, so there's not as many car clubs here. But we'll have a.
Pretty good.
It's pretty good, and we'll show you what's here. We'll try and pick out some interesting stuff for this channel, and yeah. So I'm on the gimbal, so if all goes wrong, then blame the gimbal, not me. Now, the Morris Minor was first launched in 1948 and was designed by Sir Alec Issigonis, the engineer who later went on to create the world-famous Mini. It became one of Britain's most successful family cars, with over 1.6 million being built before production ended in 1971.
Over the years, the Morris Minor was available in lots of different versions. There was the 2-door and 4-door saloons, the famous wooden frame Traveller Estate, the Tourer convertible, plus practical vans and pickup trucks. The earliest cars used a 980cc side valve engine, before changing to an 803cc, then 948cc, and finally the largest 1098cc A-Series engine, found in the Morris Minor 1000.
Saw one of these for sale recently on eBay, and it was this colour, and it's was a Minor 1000, 3,500 he wanted for it, but it needed a bit of work doing to it. The convertible ones are nice. This is a nice combination with the red roof.
Oh yeah. There's another one, I'll probably have this one.
With the red roof, yeah. Yeah, it's nice though. My dad used to have one of these with the wood panelling. Beautiful place here, isn't it? It's really nice. Well, that was the Morris Miners Owners Club.
Come back, and I'd love you all to come back.
go through this tunnel, apparently. Tunnel. Yep. Thank you.
Hello there, is this your car?
Yes. Oh, thank you.
Have you been pretty good?
If you've got a nice minor out there somewhere, let's have it down in the arena. We got 26, we had, I think it was 28 or 29 Mercedes, and we had about 30, 31 Jaguars last time. And I was said,
Mine came second. So, like and subscribe, guys.
Riders in the arena. Right, let's move on road. So, come on, if you've got a nice minor, let's have it in the arena.
Sit in it if you want.
Oh, thank you.
It's not mine.
Yeah. Don't mind if I put your car on YouTube. We've got a YouTube channel.
No,
It's called Rusty Restos.
all right, okay.
So
Now I'll follow the guy called Twin Cam, an old classic car,
Oh yeah.
and AC Dodd.
All right.
AC Dodd was in ours a couple of weeks back, tuning him mini.
Yeah. All right.
I
cool.
thought they had the mini running okay until he came to the house.
Yeah.
It was unbelievable.
It's only a small channel.
Rusty
isn't it?
Restos, let me put that on my phone. Rusty
Yeah.
Restos.
It's only a small channel. We're getting up to 5,000 subscribers now. Right next to a Mexico, if it's an original one, because a lot of these got converted into a Mexico when they weren't actually a Mexico edition. Next to the old Mondeo.
Questions about them. Then there's 3 people that have come to me and said, well, I'm thinking of buying one within the next 12 months, what should I do? And what I say to everyone who's interested in getting a minor, join the club first, get information about the cars. Some of them people won't fit in a small car like a pickup. They need a larger car to fit into, so you can rule cars out then without wasting your time going and looking at them, finding you can't get into them.
Well, you mentioned that you're the Manchester Morris Miners Club. How many members have you got?
We're about 40 on our email list, and we have about 15 to 20 turn up.